Meaning of gluten.
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 Gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, rye, and barley. It provides elasticity to dough and helps it rise and maintain its shape. For people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, consuming gluten can cause digestive issues such as bloating, diarrhea, and damage to the lining of the small intestine. Gluten-free diets have become increasingly popular for those with gluten-related disorders as well as individuals seeking to manage their weight or improve their overall health. Many foods are now available in gluten-free varieties or naturally free of gluten, such as fruits, vegetables, and meats.